Trading is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special?
Hello, Thomas.
Take back control of your
How are
investments.
you? Good, thank you. I'm too better.
So Thomas, how are you feeling today? Feeling good? Better?
Weak. These late starts are not usual, but if you look at the economic calendar, we have JOLTS data at 4 o'clock today, so it's a little bit later than normally.
Morning, Thomas.
Usually we start. Hello, Ricardo. Usually we start at 2:30, but now that we have the data coming out in 26 minutes at 4 o'clock, it's a bit later start, and I do feel it. You know, when you start later, not the usual time. So this was the position, the analysis without the position I sent out. But in the meantime, I entered into a sell position. Price may or may not going to retest 1830. But as soon as it pulled back from the region of 1829.5, so just under 1830, I entered into a small sell position that you can see on the screen, which is currently running in 50 pounds of loss. Of course, it's not the usual lot size because we are just before the data, and the market is not very certain. So I thought I'm not going to enter with the usual lot size. I'm going to reduce the risk a little bit, cut the position in less than half, and then put it in. The other position, which is only half a lot, that gives enough buffer of just under 300 pounds for now, that can offset any drawdown from the 2-lot position. Now this is actually hedging, in a way. It's hedging beta, so the volatility is hedged, meaning that if one position goes into loss, the other one does cover some of the drawdown until a certain point, so not all the way, because obviously the positions are not equally weighted or weighed. How are you doing today?
I'm feeling sick.
Good.
What do you think about today? Is gold going to retest 1833, 35?
Maybe. I'm looking to sell.
Oh, pull back a little bit. Now, as I mentioned in Discord, this is a speculative sell position, and it's just indicative. But the real direction of gold is going to be determined by the JOLTS job openings, which is coming up in 21 minutes. That is going to decide about the direction. This is just a speculation in my view on the market. Looking at the price action or market structure, whatever you call it, gold is still in a downtrend. Now we have a bit of a correction into the beautiful bear flag pattern. And also gold has the characteristic of, you know, going up the stairs and then down the elevator. Gonna have a look
Thomas,
at the position.
Still heavily focused on the labor market data.
Say it again.
Is the market, because I remember when the ECB and the U.S. Central Bank, when all of the central bank speakers met up, the labor market data was a very big, I guess, talking point, and that's kind of what's causing the economy to have struggle to cool. So is that still a very important part of the sentiment here?
Did anything change since that? Because the Fed has been focusing on the labor market specifically in the past 6 months, but there's nothing changed. So yes, the answer is yes. It's still relevant. And the reason for this is because inflation builds up from different things. It could be, you know, materials, etc., etc. But specifically, there is one part of inflation which can be caused by wage inflation. So when wages are rising faster due to inflation or the demand from the labor and workers, the characteristic of wages is that wages are sticky. So once you negotiate a salary, it's more likely it's going to stick at that for years. And currently, for every unemployed people, there is 1.9 times jobs in the United States of America, meaning that employers have to fight for talent. They have to fight for labor and workers. And that gives a competitive advantage to the workforce, so they can push up the wages, because one of the one of the key things, and gold is just massaging my stop loss, so one of the key things with wage inflation is, when there are many jobs, the only way, or the strongest way to attract people into your workforce is to offer them higher wages, and that causes wage inflation. So the first entry or the second entry maybe wasn't the best. It's massaging my stop loss, and it looks like, if I go back to trading view, that gold has pulled back, this cheeky bugger pulled back into this upward sending channel, and it hasn't finished the correction yet. So this was a fake out. I think I'm gonna close down this position, and it's already closed out. So that one is failed now. And now just observing whether gold is gonna go up to 1830 area, which was a strong selling level yesterday, 1834 to be precise. But I still think, just looking at the analysis, this area right here, so this one is failed now. I wonder if it's going to break through and do what I originally suggested.
I want to see how this next 4-hour candle opens up with the open. Kind of help give us some direction, because we could just keep rejecting off of 1830 area. If we do, I think we continue to sell.
Oh yeah, definitely, most definitely. I think that the economy is still resilient. The job market is still strong. I think there's going to be an upward surprise, so I'm favoring sells. I'm wondering. That one I'm going to adjust the stop loss, because that is just a runner. But I'm tempted to enter into another sell. But going to wait. So looking at the chart, price has now penetrated that resistance level. Just massaging, so most likely the daily pivot is going to suck up the price, and if the labor market is still strong, then it's going to provide us an even better entry opportunity.
Yeah, the 4-hour looks pretty bullish right now. So I think on the next one, maybe we do come to the pivot, like you said, and then come back down. We'll
Yeah,
see.
the problem is that, you know, we had so much selling pressure in the past few weeks. The past 2 weeks, actually, there's been just selling. So naturally in the market there should come some
Correction.
yes. And one of the characteristics is obviously short sellers on certain assets in the market. Obviously, in some parts of the world where naked short isn't allowed, when they start profit taking, they're going to buy back at a lower price, and that is artificially pushing price up. The similar way as you know, stock market short selling works. So naturally, you know, anything is possible. If we have a soft labor market data or jobs market data today, even 1860 is possible. So even though I'm on the sell side, just be cautious, because anything is possible. I'm looking at
Yeah,
the
we
yields.
closed on the 5-minute above that resistance. So I think we keep pushing up right now for a little bit. We'll see. Yields are dropping.
Yeah, I was observing the yields. But I think
like
we
they're
have a pretty solid floor. So, you know, yields have been moving pretty much sideways and edging higher and higher. But now, of course, gold, as soon as I closed out the position, gold just starts dropping, you cheeky fucker.
I've started to just wait till after the New York Open, because there's always some sort of pullback right before or after the New York Open, and it always messes with my entry if I get in before. Unless we've got data before, but
Oh, whoa.
we don't.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna go into another sell. But this time a bit wider stop loss, still under £1,000, so just £880. I think there's going to be an upside surprise on jobs data. We'll see. It's ultimately the data is going to decide about the market, not me. X and Diamond, welcome to the team.
Hello, nice to meet you all. Thank you.
How you doing, brother?
Good, thank you very much.
Okay. Yields are stuck at 5.1, sorry. Nicely rejected. "12 minutes. And we're going to see the verdict by the job market. Oh, gold, you cheeky fucker. So have you guys read the game plan, the analysis, or the forecast I posted on Discord?
Yes.
Yes.
All clear?
Yeah.
Yes. And you send at 3:45 a.m. What's you wake up? You wake up or you don't sleep that time?
The market, money never sleeps, so why should I?
Man, I was wake up, but I saw what the fuck. 3:45 is
No, I
wake
woke
up
up.
now.
I woke up.
So what
Then I
time
couldn't
you go
go back to
sleep,
sleep.
Thomas?
I went 8, 9 o'clock, 9.
Jesus Christ, man. I want to take some pills to sleep because I'm going to sleep every day 3 o'clock in the morning.
Wow, that's not
Yeah,
healthy.
no, man, but it's 25 years working hard at night.
Yeah, and
So,
catering it fucks you up.
Yeah, now it's messy. It's okay. It's only a process.
Frank Munich, with all the illegal foreigners crossing into the US over the past months, when and how would it affect the dollar? Shouldn't it impact the job openings and unemployment at some point? Yes, I mean, actually, in immigration is actually good because for the job market is definitely good because it can normalize, salaries, supply and demand. But the question is when. At some point, yes, in the future, because obviously those people need to be sheltered, fed, and get ready to work. They need to find a job. So it takes time for these things. But yeah, in the long term, it does. For example.
Oh, sorry, Thomas.
Trump
data
Trump administration, for example, 2018, when they stopped immigration, they had to stop immigration policies. That took about 2 years, and of course we had COVID, so we can't really put an exact date or time frame. But it took years to have this effect now on the market, on the job market, or the labor market, that there's a massive shortage of labor in the US. And Anthony, sorry, I cut you off.
Oh no, you're good. If so, say if they're not registered as legal immigrants yet, would they still be able to track that jobs data also? Is that just that's just another factor that I'm thinking of? Because if they're paid underneath the table, is that job tracked or is it recorded? That's just something.
We need to see what kind of jobs are in the actual JOLTS job openings. Is it service based or how many manufacturing based? Because they're actually tracking the number of job openings and whether job has been taken off the market due to budgeting issues or it's been filled. I don't know if there's any information at that depth.
Yeah. I think we'll get a higher than expected reading.
I guess, Anthony, if you look at it that way, then if there is a job that person is picking up, even if they're not registered, that means there's still one job off the market now.
Yeah.
Back where we started, 1830.
Hi, Thomas.
Hi, Ernest.
Yeah, you're right.
You good?
Good, thanks.
7 minutes. Have your credit card ready, Ernest. Or your wife's.
Yeah. Yes.
This guy just freaks me out.
What's his name? Sam?
Man,
Sam Bankman-Fried.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, would you trust this guy with your money?
No, the guy who play PlayStation and shorts and man, not the guy I trust my money.
He's not good looking, but I have to admit that the thing that he pulled off is he even fooled some of the biggest investment banks on Wall Street. Like the risk manager had a registered address in the metaverse. Unbelievable.
Unbelievable, yes. The headquarters is in metaverse.
Yeah.
Sorry, Thomas, I came. Is there any front running?
Pardon?
Is there any front running?
Yeah, we are. I am.
Is that
Yeah, I'm running already. I run so hard I hit a stop loss. But only, smaller lot size. Because market is very uncertain today. ADP has much more impact on the market than JOLTS. But still, we need to trade. You need to get these pips coming in.
I'm out.
Oh yeah, because you
Now-
can't trade news.
Now only 302 I can trade. It's okay. 2 minutes. I can wait for a 5 minute candle to enter on the trade. That's no big deal.
Mm.
But today I'm gonna have it with you. All in.
Full margin.
My friend, I have 400k to margin, so I'm all in.
Ooh. Decent amount of money to trade with. Now that is capital. That even the smallest return, it's months of salary, even in the US.
Man, but I don't like this account really. This pissed me off, man.
Can you not change it or ask them to
No.
change it?
No, because I have for 6 months and I have a lot of payments and they don't
Wow.
change.
Having a funded account for 6 months is well done. I don't think I ever met anyone who had.
My funded FF I have 1 year, my friend. I have
I
12 payments of that.
I don't know any trader who was able to hold a funded account for more than 3 months.
I keep my trades on about 5%, 4% a month, nothing more, man. And my FF was 120, so I have a big chunk of money there. This one, I take 3%, 2% month.
Mm-hmm. That's 2% of a 400k account. That's decent money.
Yeah.
So
It's a normal salary of a good position, 8k, 10k a month.
that's a very, very good position. I know investment bankers who don't even earn 8,000 net a month.
Actually, if you're looking for 10% is 40 grand. But why push so hard?
Exactly.
Because this is really a 40k account, not 400k.
If you look from, you're smart.
I have only 10% of DD, so it's 40k.
But even
account.
10% of 40k is decent
Yes, it's
amount
a
of money.
huge. It's huge.
I mean, show me a job that pays you 4k a month net every single month. That's a very good job.
And free of charge of taxes, because we don't pay taxes we receive on crypto.
4K is my 20-month salary.
Damn.
Do you
So-
wait? So you don't pay taxes because you get paid in crypto?
No, not talking about
Wait,
this
wait,
kind of tips.
wait.
Don't criminalize yourself.
Yeah.
We always pay the taxes, of course. Every
Oh,
one of us. Yeah.
No, in Portugal we don't have to pay. So
Oh,
it
you're-
depend on your country. Okay, in Portugal we don't have to pay. Okay,
I need to move to Portugal.
maybe next year we have to pay, but only for trading. The holders don't pay crypto.
Alright, guys, we have 2 minutes left. Those of you that joined the stream, welcome. The game plan for today It's very simple. I'm going to show you the analysis I sent out onto Discord for private members. I hope it helps everyone for learning purposes. Now today we have JOLTS job openings, which is coming up in 1 minute 30 seconds. So I should deliver a full analysis in 1 minute 30 seconds. Is it possible? Hell yeah. Today we have JOLTS job openings, which is a gauge about the strength of the job market in the United States. The forecast is set to be slightly insignificantly less than the previous one, which is deflationary. So that is bullish for gold. But I think the job market has enough craft juice. Is going to print an upward surprise. It's my speculation, my view, based on research. The analysis today is that if we have a lower than expected JOLTS number, that is going to push gold up, push stocks up, and dollar down. If we have a higher than expected JOLTS, which is my view, gold is going to continue downwards along with stocks, and that is strengthening for the US dollar, because it means there's more monetary tightening is coming. So the data is coming out in 29 seconds. All you have to understand is that if the number is higher, the JOLTS is higher, sell gold. If it's lower, then buy gold. And this is not financial advice. That's what I'm going to do. So the data is out in 10 seconds, guys. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where is the data? Where is the data? Gold is pushing down. So it means the front running was successful. Still no data. Come on, investing.com.
He's up.
What is the number?
961.
All in. Boom. Another sell. Boom, boom, boom. And now we're just going to wait. So I still don't have data on investing.com. Gonna go into trading economics to see calendar. 9.61. That's the data you're looking at. JOLTS job openings 9.6 million versus 8.8, which was the forecast. And yeah, that is clearly inflationary for the market. So sales should be alright. We might have another retest, so have wide enough stop loss, you know, especially during high impact news. And please note that I'm only entering with a smaller than usual lot size, and I have the privilege to use a bit wider stop loss, because trading is a marathon and not a sprint. If the market wants to go down, I'm happy with the smaller lot size if it gives me 50, 100, 150 pips.
Yield's going up nice.
What is the 2-year currently at?
Going very high.
Okay. 5.135.
Right. Position is going a nice 60 pips, 70 pips profit.
Think we break 1815 today? Probably.
Yes. Most likely.
Selling.
Most likely. Alright, guys, who made some money?
made some money.
Yeah.
Okay.
Making it.
All right.
90p.
Look at the yields. Look at the yields. Very nice. Edging higher again. Now, when the yields are going up in the current interest rate environment, that means it's bearish for gold because it's inversely correlated now at this time. At this time, because of the current interest rate and inflation environment. Yeah, that's it. Simple as that. Voila. Making money. So, anyone wish to join the Alpha community, look into your chat, or below the video you will find a Stripe link. I do this for a living, daily analysis, morning briefings, live session trading, only high impact news, only news trading. It makes life so much easier. Don't have to stick and watch the charts, 24/7. So just trading high impact news, and here's the result. So second position is running in 1 grand. Obviously there was a £400 loss earlier with a premature entry, but it's part of the game. So if you would like to join the Alpha community, head to the Alpha FX website and become an Alpha member for more light trading. And if you want to understand how the market works, what all of these things mean in the economic calendar, I think is the best way. There's only a few of us who do real economic trading. Go to alphafx.eu and join the community. Oh my god, 70 pips.
Oh, Habibi.
Mm.
Habibi.
Close your eyes, just sell press by Tune. Yeah, that's all you have to do. If you know what the data means, if you know the fundamentals, if you understand the probabilities and the potential outcomes, you don't even need to use a stop loss. Well, you always use a stop loss, but if you do it, you just have to stick with the plan. It's simple as that. You can actually make money off trading, and not by trend lines are beautiful, and all the technicals. You need technicals for the entries, but relying 100% on technical analysis isn't going to take you far away. But once you understand what financial data and fundamental means, then you can trade financial markets, and there's the result. Currently, dropping nicely.
Thomas, where did you put your TP?
I didn't put, because I'm gonna close down most likely at oh no, lower shit. That will give me 2 grand at this price level, so most likely I'm going to close it down, but I'm gonna leave this one. I would take profit, or suggest 18-17 is a good TP level. Huge JOLT news, gold should continue down, right? Yes, sir. You see, guys, you don't need to stress in front of the screen for a whole day. You just come into the news, you make the plan, and you just take the money. Simple as that, and I'm telling it for years.
Sorry, Thomas. Take a look to USD Japanese yen, because it's getting on
over the roof.
Intervention zone.
Ooh.
Had my alarm there.
But still, yeah, it is very close, but it's in the Widowmaker zone.
Yeah, it's just entering in the last, 100 pips. 200 pips, I don't know, but it's
have a look. You know what you should do? Have a look on the interventions previously. Have a look at what time did the Bank of Japan unofficially intervened. I bet that 90% of the cases was around 2-3 a.m. our time, so in the middle of the night during the Asian session. That can give you a good indication when not to enter the market.
Okay, I will take a look. Just getting in the daily week.
Hi, Thomas. Good evening.
Bakirza, how you doing, brother?
Well,
Beko.
how is your health? How is your head?
Well, slowly coming together, everything.
Thank you for today's. I should
Good
have to go now.
Good money?
Yes, I made good money.
Very good.
Take the money, make the money. Make the money, take the money.
Exactly. Well done.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
See you guys. Thank you.
See you. 10% profit on YouTube says, what is the reason for gold, for the gold to dump?
Because we are selling.
Manipulation.
Someone says so.
Pure manipulation, brother. No, the reason for this is the JOLTS job number. So JOLTS job openings printed a whopping 9.6 million job openings. As I said, the labor market is still resilient and strong. The job market, sorry, not the labor market. And it was a huge upward surprise, and it's very inflationary. Hence, gold is currently dumping, running an 87 pips profit as we speak. Of course, the other positions are running in 26 pips and 120 pips. Who likes news trading? It's easy life, innit?
Yes.
Yeah, not FOMC though.
It's my objective. Only trade news with Thomas, nothing more.
You don't need anything else. I mean, you can go in the London session, live your life, be with your loved ones, go to the gym, sort your life out if you haven't done it in the past 10 months, and then sit down for 30 minutes in front of the computer and just make money. Of course, it's not always win. It's silly, but you know the results are good. Yesterday, money, 150 pips. Today, money. Yes, it's easy if you understand, but that's my job to explain it to you guys, to translate finance to English. Okay, guys, I think there's no point going any further. I'm going to slowly start taking some money off the table. Actually, I'm gonna close this 1 grand. That's it. Hey, little Anthony. What a handsome.
Say hi.
How you doing, brother?
Say bye-bye. Say
Hello.
thank you, Thomas. Say thank you.
Bye-bye. Say Fibonacci.
See ya.
Lovely kid. See you, mate. So, yeah, I took profit on the position. I'm happy to walk away with 1 grand. Good day, guys.
Very good day. Thank you. Thomas.
Yes.
All right. See you tomorrow because we have ADP, non-farm employment. How cool is that?
Yes.
See you later, alligator.
Thank
See
you,
you,
Thomas.
Thomas.
Thank you, Thomas.
You're welcome, guys.
Thank you, Thomas.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
And those of you who would like to join the Alpha community to get daily analysis and to understand economics and you know to fundamentally trade with me live. It's not shitty signal service, and people who don't see it's actually I'm doing many people a favor by coming live. Go to alphafx.eu and become a member. You can find a link in below the video or in the chat. And that's it. Thank you so much, guys. This is the Alpha Facts.